Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Just like with post, you cannot add clickable links to Reels. However, you can add info about the link in bio so that your followers know where they can find it. First, you will have to add a link to your website to your profile. Next, follow these steps to add a link to Reel within the Instagram app. Open Instagram, press the plus icon at the bottom, and choose Reel. Edit as you would normally. Once you've created your Reel, tap the double A to add new text at the top. Type link in bio and edit the text. You can also type the link from bio in your caption, but users won't be able to click it from the post. And last, share your reel. Instagram has come a long way in terms of allowing users to add URLs on the app. However, it's still not the easiest feature to use until Instagram allows us to simply add a URL in our caption, or at least make the story swipe up feature accessible to all. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.